So as you can see here, I have my Exness connected to my MT4 account here, and as you can see, on right after the demo, you see MT4. And in this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to do that. Now, before you begin this video, kindly subscribe to my channel to stay updated anytime I release step-by-step tutorial like this. So before you connect your Exness account to your MT4 account, what I recommend you doing is first of all create an MT4 account here or in your Exness account. So simply tap on the drop down there. You see maybe you might be in your raw account, so drop down icon there, and after I then tap on the plus icon where the arrow just pointed. After I then tap on the plus icon, you see a demo account. You can go ahead and choose either a demo or a raw account. However, the same basic process we are gonna be using. Okay, so I'll simply go ahead and choose a demo account. So I'll tap on demo, and then after I then tap on demo, as you can see the top there, we see new demo MT5 account. However, we want to see MT4 account. So what I recommend you do is simply tap on the settings icon you see there, and then tap on MT4 account, and then tap on confirm. Now as you can see top there, we see new demo MT4 account. So simply choose any of these account types here you wish to use, or simply tap on the standard account here, which is what I'll be using here. I'll tap on continue. Now you can go ahead and input in these details such as the currency, the name, and the leverage. I recommend you simply always choosing a secure leverage, and then tap on continue. When done, input password for your MT4 account. And after then tap on continue, you have your MT4 account created. However, you cannot create with your MT4 account in Exness. What you need is the MT4 app, right? So let me show you the app I'm talking about, and here is the MT4. As you can see, we have MT4 and MT5 here. Now our focus in this video is the MT4 app. So simply tap on MetaTrader 4, and this is on iOS, while you still find it up on your Android. Okay, so what I recommend you doing is simply tap on get, or on your Android you see install, simply tap on install to download the app or install the app onto your mobile phone. Now after you are done with installing the app, what I recommend you doing is simply open your app. Now here is our MT4 dashboard. I already have a demo account linked to MT4, and I'm using Exness with it. As you can see, Exness Technology Limited. Okay, so in order for us to simply connect our MT4 created account, what I recommend you doing is simply tap on this. Simply open your MT4 and then tap on settings, and then tap on this 500 here. You see something else, tap on it, and then what you have to do next is simply tap on the plus icon. Okay, now the quickest way to connect your MT4 account to Exness is to simply head back to your Exness app, Exness account here. Now we are in our Exness account. Tap on trade. After then tap on trade, what I recommend you doing is simply tap on choose any of these. Okay, so I'll go ahead and tap on Go USD, and then tap on sell, and then tap on proceed to MT4. Now you see, as so we will quickly redirect to the login page with our login code inserted already. So what you have to do is simply input your password. And then here is our created MT4 account with already two selected for. Okay, now we have these tools here, guys, and that's it to connect your MT4 account to Exness. If you like this video, kindly subscribe and stay updated anytime I release step-by-step tutorial.